Good morning, children. I hope you all are well and good at home. Class prep, subject science, topic water animals. Children, open your book, page number 19. Water animals. Water animals have bodies that help them to live in water. Many animals that live in water have fins to help them to swim. Many water animals have gills to help them breathe underwater. See, this is fish and this is fin. And this is gills. And this is tail. And some animals live only in water. For example, octopus, starfish, seahorse, and whale. These animals live in water. Important points. First, water animals have bodies that help them to live in water. Second, many animals that live in water have fins to help them to swim. Third, many water animals have gills to help them breathe underwater. Words meanings: underwater meaning under the surface of water. Fins, organ of locomotion and balance in animals. Activity number 1. Draw a line to match the sea animals to their names. First, seahorse. Second, turtle. Third, jellyfish. Fourth, shark. Fifth, starfish. Sixth, seal. Seventh, crab. Children, this activity is in your book, page 21. Activity number 2. Question: name 2 animals that live in water. First, starfish, and second, octopus. Thank you, children. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.